Okay, this video is to show you how to repair the Q play buttons on a CDJ 1000 Mark III. These buttons often fail. I have a new part here, and you'll find that these little click switches will fail, and that's what's happened with this one. The Q switch has failed. So I'm going to show you how to take it apart, show you how to replace it. I'm no way am I an engineer or anything like that. I just think it's such an easy thing to do, you might as well attempt it at home rather than pay quite a lot of money for someone else to do it. Right, so we need to start, turn the unit upside down, but I don't like to rest my unit on the jog wheel because it's sensitive. You've got one screw in here, one screw in here next to the foot. Can you see that? So, let's move that up a little bit. There we go. Right, one there. There's one down by the side of the foot here. Same on the other side. And then you've got one at the front underneath here. And then you've got one at the back, which is at the top here. 6 screws. Right, so we're going to take those out quickly. It's one. Two. Bear with me. Let's go for the other two here. One by the foot. There we go. 3. Chucking them on the floor. Right, get this one. Trying to get in there. Can't see. They're all falling out, which is great. There's another one. That's 4. So, top's trying to come off already. Alright, let's get these two here. Alright, that's 5. And this one here, 6. Okay. Right. Now, very carefully, I'll just move the screws somewhere where we won't lose them. Very, very carefully, you need to take the top off. Now, bear in mind, there's a ribbon under here. If you just yank this straight off, you're going to break it. So be really careful. Have a look. Right, now I need to tilt it this way. Okay. Here we go. There's the inside of a CDJ 1000. Okay. And what we need to look at is this section here. Let me just move this. Can you see? This section. So I bet close. Let me move the camera. Right. So, right. What we're going to do is we're going to take this section out here. Excuse my filming, it's absolutely rubbish. Let's turn that around. So if we look again, if you look here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws holding this in. So I'm just going to go for it and take the screws out. Wrong screwdriver. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's one more here. Right. Take this little plate off. Now you will see that this circuit board is ready to lift out. Now if you look, this circuit board has a little ribbon on it here. You need to take that out very carefully. There we go, and that's it, that's out. That is the old unit out. Can you see that? It's the old unit out. And underneath, here, no, not underneath here, down here I have a new unit. So you can unsolder these, but do you really want to get into that? Start unsoldering these and pulling it all apart. I've seen professionals try and do it and they've burnt the circuit, so it's not worth the hassle. Right, and if you look at this one's got a nice little click. This one has totally failed. Right, so let's go for the new one. New unit. Now, the trickiest part is getting the ribbon back in. Nice and gently, don't force it. There we go. That went in quite easy. And we lay this back down. Then we just reassemble the unit. So let's put that in there. Excuse my filming, it's a bit rubbish. That's one. Let me just drop that down a bit. Right. That's one. Let's put one in at the top to stabilise the unit. There we go. Another one. Do not over tighten the screws. Right. There we go, we're in. Just check we're all, oh yes, we're all lined up. Right, that's it, that's in. We take the old unit. I may attempt to repair the old unit later on. Now my CDJ is going to be working again. I'm not too worried if I damage this part. Right, so the refitting is simply a reversal of the strip. Put this piece back on very carefully. Okay, turn the unit up on its side. I don't like to rest it on the jog wheel. The jog wheel has many micro switches, etc. in there. You don't want to be damaging those. One screw. Hold on. I didn't realise the screws are different lengths. There is one very short screw, one in. Two. Alright, the very small screw goes in the top. Remember that for next time. And one in here. Boo boo. Then the final one goes in the top of the unit, well, the bottom of the unit underneath the section where you put CDs in. Right, there we go. CDJ's back together. How long did that take? All of 8 minutes. This part cost me £55. Not sure how much you would pay to have this part installed, but 8 minutes, you're probably going to pay another £50 just for someone to install it. It's really not that difficult. Right, let me go and put my CDJ back and we will test it. And that will be my phone ringing. Okay, plug this unit back in. Okay, switch it on. Switch it all on. Here we go. Need a CD. Why is there no CDs? Okay, let's put a CD in. There we go. There we go. We have the lights. Sorted. And that's it. That's the caretaker's cupboard signing off, showing you how to refit new buttons to your CDJ. Very simple.